Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Porsche Boxster. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.